If you want to see how I create this beautiful flower decal set, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And let's get right into this video. Welcome back to my channel today, guys, at Liyahs Nails. If you're new, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be doing another press-on nail tutorial using amazing Amazon brand polish. The name is Rolex Weird, and I'm going to spell it out because I don't want to butcher it. I don't want to mispronounce it. I've done a video reviewing their products before, but this is just another video using their amazing products. As you guys can see, I'm missing a few because I've already taken out the ones I'm going to use in today's video. But yeah, as you guys can see, their spelling is VOXURY. And then once again, I will link this Amazon kit down in the description down below. And they also gave me a discount code for you guys to use on your purchase, and I'm so happy because they're a brand on Amazon and they're a very affordable brand. You get a lot of nice, good quality polish for your money's worth. So my coupon is 10% off, and I will pop it up on the screen for you guys. But enough talking, I'm gonna get right into this video. But before starting the polish, I will be putting them onto this stick just so you guys can see the actual polish before I start. And I'm kind of starting to do it this way. I kind of like it better because it just helps me even more just to make sure that before I even start the video that the polish is giving what I want it to give. And today's tutorial I'm so excited for because it's honestly a different type of tutorial that I've never done before. And I'm kind of going out of my element, but I feel like I've been going out of my element a lot lately, and I'm not mad at it because I've honestly been practicing. I've been watching a lot of videos, and all I can say is practice does make perfect. So the first one is called V125. I went ahead and just wrote that right here. Let me tilt this down just a little bit. I wrote it right there. And so this is just a light green polish. I think, yeah, it's a light green polish. I think it was a light green. And so I only let it cure in the nail dryer for about 30 seconds. And this is some very good polish. That's just the first coat, and you see how good that looks. It looks awesome. That's the first one. The second one is V120. This is a light purple. As you guys can see, you may not be able to tell already, I'm kind of going with kind of spring color kind of theme, even though spring is kind of over. To me, spring colors can go all year long. Really, it's stuff for winter, but honestly they even could go in winter, because I mean, if you want a certain color on your nails, you can get that certain color on your nails. It don't matter what season or what day it is, you can get whatever you want on your nails. Okay, don't let nobody tell you different, because who says you only can get a certain color during a certain time of the year? Nobody. The next one is V158. And this also just helps me remember, like, you know, what polishes I use, how they look. So I won't have to go back through my stuff and be like, oh, what was that nice blue polish I used, you know? Okay, and the next one's light yellow. It's called V122. Okay, and the last one is a light pink, and it's called V124. Okay, and those are the 5 polishes that I will be using in today's video. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get them out the dryer. And I only did do 1 coat. When doing this set today, I'm almost definitely gonna do more than 1 coat. But for sure, I'm gonna do more than 1 coat. So this is how the polishes look. And I think they look pretty good. As you guys can see, like I said, this is only 1 coat. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so the nails have been filed, shaped, and prepped. So now I'm just gonna clean them off so I can apply my base coat onto them. Today's video, I will be using Madam Glam's base coat just because they didn't see me a base coat out with that, which is fine because Madam Glam base coat will do it every time if I don't have one anyways. So I'm just gonna apply the base coat onto the nails and then cure them. I usually do like 3 minutes. Some people literally only do like 60 seconds, but sometimes I cure it away with doing something else and they still be in there drying, so it's not like it's gonna harm them or anything, you know, so I honestly don't mind it. Anyways, so my base coat today will be using my Madam Glam's Food Coma. Honestly, this color is so pigmented. You only can do 1 coat. I don't know if I'm gonna do 1 coat. Honestly, I'm gonna look at them once they dry and just see if I'm only gonna leave it as 1 coat. I may leave it as 1 coat because like I said, it's very pigmented. It usually only takes 1 coat. Now sometimes I do 2 when I am shipping it out to a client just because I like for them to look their best, but I'm not 100% sure. I may end up doing a 2nd coat and just make it like really thin, or I may just leave it at this 1 coat and call it a day. I don't really know, but we shall see. Something I do want to say while I'm editing this video currently, if I were to go back and redo this set, I would most definitely do 2 coats. At the very end, I could really tell. You guys might not be able to tell, but I could tell like in person that like in certain spots, like the first coat where I didn't get it at, or it was like kind of sheer, kind of thin, and the coat wasn't really all that thick that I did. The first coat wasn't, so I would most definitely go back and do a 2nd coat onto the nail. The nails still turned out beautifully, thank gosh, because I really just needed them as like, you know, for sure. I'm not gonna give them to no one. Like, of course I'm a set of nails, but not the exact set, if that makes sense. But yeah, the nails, they turned out good, but I would most definitely do 2 coats instead of 1. I decided to just voice over this part because I was so indecisive like this whole entire video. Y'all might not be able to tell because I cut it most of the pieces out like when I made it in, but like I was so confused. But so basically y'all see me putting the glitter onto that, but honestly at the end I'm end up just dipping the brush into the glitter bottle because it was like the glitter didn't want to come out the bottle. Like it was just causing too much case. But yeah, so I didn't cure the nails from when I apply like the color, like the pink, the green, the blue, the purple, the yellow. I never cured the nails. I applied the flowers with the nails wet. I didn't cure them because I honestly didn't want to have to go back and add like rhinestone gel or like a clear coat just to apply the flowers, and they actually stuck onto the nails very well. I believe it's because they have a flat bed and they honestly stuck very well. Or it could have been because the nails is still wet. Honestly, you can choose your own method of applying them. I'll probably do it different when I'm selling them to someone, but since this was just like for video purposes, I just didn't do the extra step with it, to be honest with you. I'm honestly just gonna fast forward over these parts because honestly, I'm just drawing the line. Honestly, when drawing lines, you need to just take a little bit of polish and just go as you go. Don't add too much because it's better if you add just a little bit and then, you know, need to add some more versus you adding too much and have to redo the whole nail. This was honestly my first time using, like, really doing line work because I usually don't. I usually don't have no faith in myself, but today I was like, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try something new. And like I said, these nails came out really, really good. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or concerns or just anything in general, just comment down below and let me know. I just fast forwarded because I didn't want this video to be super, super long because it was kind of self-explanatory. Like, I didn't want to slow it down and drag it out, like, for what? Like, it was no point in me doing that. So that's why I just fast forwarded. But yeah, like I said, all these polishes are from Bulk Square on Amazon, and y'all can use my code for 10% off. Their polishes work really, really well, and they're also very good quality, affordable gel polish. Just in case, I know some people don't like ordering off websites. I am kind of one of those people that don't like ordering off websites, but I will for certain brands. But I really be having more faith in Amazon than anyone. Or is it just me? I don't know why, because Amazon ain't that good. But we've had a lot of faith in Amazon. But honestly, with the flowers, I was just kind of choosing them at random, like what colors. As y'all can see, like I chose the orange one, even though they have no orange sticks. And as y'all can see, like I'm literally, that was on accident. I put that in there, but I ended up liking it. And as y'all can see, like I'm gonna put one back and like put one at the top because I'm like, ooh, that's different. Like, you know, so I did have a Pinterest inspiration picture. But like I always want to go different in the picture anyways, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try something different. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure you give me a fat thumbs up, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and yeah, let's see how the rest of these nails turned out. I'm really shocked that I didn't really mess up anything. Like, I'm actually kind of proud of myself. I actually took my time, and it just shows you like you can do whatever you put your mind to, honestly, because I never would have thought like, oh, Maliyah, you could do this. But honestly, after watching a bunch of people YouTube tutorials and just seeing them do stuff, I was like, let me just try this, you know, have a little bit more faith in myself, because you can't push yourself. I mean, you can't fail if you never try, you know? So how could you fail if you never try? So yep. But honestly, you guys, I'm so happy with how these turned out. As I'm rewatching these, like, they turned out really, really good.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip.
Okay, the next step, I already put out the little stud that I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna put some in. Ooh. I'm done with this, so I can put this back on that. I'm gonna be putting it in between the little flowers. And these flowers is stuck on here. Ooh. I'm so happy that one wasn't stuck, but it'll dry again. These flowers are stuck on here. So I'm just gonna get a little dotting tool. I'm just gonna use some clip. I guess I can use my nail gel. I gotta get used to using it. My nail glue gel, I really gotta get used to using it. Cause sometimes I just be like, I could just use clear polish, but now I have this, I need to start using it. and get used to using it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip some on here, dip some on there, dip some on the next one, this one, next one. I do just want to talk about this nail gel. It is from Maliyahs. Oh my god, off Amazon. It's very affordable. It's a very good nail gel. Polish, not polish, but you know what I mean, nail gel. Sorry, it's currently like 12 o'clock at night and I'm editing it. I'm a little sleepy, but yeah, like I was saying, it's a very good, and it has to be cured by the nail lamp. So if you're like trying to remove stuff, like it's not gonna dry on you, like it will stay wet until you put it in the nail lamp. As you guys saw, like I only end up doing them on the big ones and then on the middle finger, like around it, because honestly I didn't like how it looked on the big nail, on the smaller ones. I just felt like it looked too big. Be applying my Madame Glam's top coat. This is the no wipe top coat, so that means once you apply the top coat, that's it. That's the final. That's all you need to do. So this is how the nails look before the top coat. I feel like they really came out really cute. Like I did my thing with them. Yes ma'am. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a fat thumbs up. Don't forget to use my $10% off coupon. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, because I tried to do something different. You know, I get tired of doing the same old and whatnot. So I was like, let me do something different. Let me try and pop my shit. And I can't believe I actually succeeded. Like, yes sir. Okay, so this is how the nails turned out. I feel like they look so freaking gorgeous. And I'm in love. I'm in love with a scrubber. Okay, anyways. I really love these nails. They look really good. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I will catch you guys in the next video. Liyahs Nails, we are out. Peace.